The coyotes were busy here last night. I'm the only one that's been down this trail other than the coyote and the deer. As you will see when I come around the corner, it looks like a deer met its fate last night. Here's some coyote tracks going through the woods. Coyote was real busy in search of this deer. The coyote went up there. I followed that earlier. My tracks were on top of the coyotes. But once you get around this corner, you'll see an ugly scene of a deer's last day. This is coyote tracks right here coming through the woods. Coyote, obviously, it came in here. It came in here under this tree. You see all the gore here. Coyote went up behind the trail here, and then between here and over here, it killed. Come on, Jake. Leave that alone. Come on, let's go. Come on, Jake. Come on, boy. Hey, come on, go. Keep going, boy. Right there, you can see where the coyote marked its spot. And this is where. Come on, let's go. Come on, Jake. This is where I think the deer was sleeping when it got attacked. Part of his fur was right there. Come on, Ariel, let's go. Ariel's afraid of all the smell. That's all his disemboweled. But over there. Okay, let's go, boy. And then the coyote went up here. Go ahead, boy. The coyote went up here. Went up into the woods. The tracks. Come on, let's go, boy. Good boy. Coyote was real busy last night. None of these trails were here. None of these markings were here yesterday. I should say last evening. And that snow right there is all packed down. It wasn't like that. Like I said, I was the only one that came through here yesterday. But the coyote definitely had one on the hunt last night.